Hey, welcome back, everybody. Okay, so YNAB has two versions. So there's YNAB Web and YNAB Mobile. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your YNAB account using the web version. There's also the mobile app that you can download from the App Store, so for iOS and Android. Okay, so to find this page, you want to click the link below this video. So it's a special link just for you guys. So it's going to take you to this home page. And as you can see, it's a really nice website. It just goes over quickly the four rules that we cover, and it has lots of information here. We're going to go ahead and get started. So in the top right hand corner, you're going to see that green start your free trial button. You're going to click that and it's going to pop up the sign up page. So what I love about YNAB is that for regular people, they give you 34 days to play around with the software. But since I'm a YNAB certified coach and you're in this course, you're going to actually receive an extra 2 months of trial time in addition to the 34 days. So you'll have 94 free days of YNAB. Plus, I'm giving you the cheat code so you can become a YNAB Pro right away. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and enter our email address, create a password. For this, I highly suggest that you use the same email address you use to sign up for this course. And you want to enter that here. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and start. Uh, there you go. There we go. All right. Okay, so you can read through the terms of service and privacy policy if you want. We're going to go ahead and click agree. Get to that next page. Nice little tree here. I love they have these little blurbs. Okay, so now YNAB is kind of dope because they give you a mini tutorial. It shows you how to quickly set up a budget, but don't worry about this because I'm going to give you a more detailed version as we go throughout the course so you can make this unique to your own budgeting situation. But for right now, we're going to bypass this tutorial. So just enter the same demo information that I enter. And I also have it listed in the text below so you can pause if you need to. So for the first one, it's asking me to set up a target. So we haven't covered targets yet, but we're going to get to that in a later video. So a lot of this stuff is not going to make sense right now, but just follow along. So we're going to enter 50, choose save, and right at the bottom here, you're going to click next step. Okay, so it's asking me to add an account. So we're going to click continue. You're going to choose this little plus sign on the left-hand side here, unlink, type in demo, and then we're going to click checking and just type in 50, right? I'm going to click enter, done. Go to the next step. And this is where we're just putting it all together. You're going to assign the money, but you'll see how that works here. Continue. Okay, so we're going to click rent mortgage. That's just the first one they have here under assigned. You're going to type in 50, press enter, and finish your budget. Congratulations, you received confetti, and you see that they have more tutorials here. You can read through this if you want, but we're going to cover a lot of this as we go through. So you're going to click through to get to your budget page. Okay, let's do this. Now here is this is where you'll be creating your own unique budget. So we're just going to erase what we did and create a new budget. So in the top left corner here, you're going to see an arrow. You're going to select the arrow. It's going to say new budget. Click that. So this is where you're going to give your budget a name. So you're going to be spending a lot of time here. So you want to make it creative. I recommend you associate it with your why. So every time you see your budget, you're reminded why you got started and where you want to go, right? I'm actually going to call it Inspire Financial Freedom. That's the name of my company. And I'm hoping to inspire you to create financial freedom for yourself, right? So you're going to select the currency that you want. I'm going to choose, there's a lot of currencies in here. This is global for YNAB, but I'm going to choose Canadian. I'm in Canada. And of course, you can select the number format and currency placement date format that makes sense for you. And you're going to click create budget. See your name here. And yes, I'm proud of you. So this is great. You created your first YNAB budget. And in the next video, we're going to learn how to customize these categories so that they're unique to your budgeting needs. So below the video, you'll actually find the budget category planner to help you get started. And I'll see you in the next section.